Welcome, my beautiful people and my handsome people. Welcome to my channel once again. It is another edition. Before I forget, welcome back to 2025. It is your superwoman, the woman with the vibe. Gift Uchechukwu channel. This is where we treat about YouTube content and other related content that will be helping us to live the life we have planned or wish to live. So I'm so happy to have you here. If it's your first time seeing my face, this is Gift Uchechukwu channel. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. In today's channel, I am going to be treating how to do background, how to change your background to look beautiful. You don't have equipment or a studio, maybe as a new YouTuber, as someone who is starting new. You don't need to stress yourself going out there to look for money or suspending. That's your ambition, that your vision, that motivation that is in you. Don't allow it to die because you are looking for money to set up a standard studio for your channel. I got your back, and this is what so many YouTubers has been using. Your own will not be an exemption. So but make sure you stay to the end of this video. Staying to the end of this video will help you so much. So let's dive right into the video where I show you how to change your background after creating your video. We are going to be using Inshot. We are not going to use CapCut because CapCut has Pro. Almost all of them is Pro. We are going to use Pinterest and we are going to use Inshot on this video. But because of time, because I will not like this video to stay long, I will not like it to stay long. So I'm going to be making use of the videos I have downloaded from the Pinterest. So how do you go about it? Go to your Google Chrome, your browser that you are using. Better still, use your Google Chrome. Use Google Chrome to do this. Type Pinterest, then Pinterest will come up. You will see a search bar. Type in picture background or video background. It will pop up with a lot that you will now use your hand to select the background you want. And you will see a place where they wrote save. You click on save. But most of the times I do screenshot. I screenshot them so that they will be direct to where I want them to be. Once I get to my Inshot, it doesn't take me time to do my editing. So let's do that background editing. It is so amazing. You will like it and you will even love doing it. Not even minding whether you have studio or not. So let me take you along how you do this. Follow me. Let's do the video background, the video background editing now with Inshot. I just finished telling us the things, the steps we should use before getting to this place. So the app we are going to be using is Inshot, not CapCut, because CapCut has almost all the features now are Pro. So unless you have money to buy, but for a beginner and someone who is still coming up on YouTube that don't have enough money, and how many of those items can you buy? So we now go with Inshot. And Inshot has these marvelous features in there that gives you what you want. And before you start your editing of your background, giving your video a nice background after creating a good thumbnail for your video, you have to use a plain background while shooting your video, while filming your video. Stay on a plain background, and better still, you can use a cloth that has one color or two highest, so that changing your background will be very easy and fine and smooth without having some things on it. So let's go into Chrome. That is the app I'm going to be using, Chrome. So I'm going to stop using the Chrome now. I just finished talking about how to use the Chrome. So to make this video not to be too long, I'm going back. So let's go to Inshot. Let's go to Inshot. From what I told us previously, you go to your Google Chrome to download this. So to make this video not to be long, let's dive into Inshot. Then click video, go to new. Now, as you can see, look at all these ones. These ones I have changed the background. But because of this tutorial, I'm going to pick one here so that we will do that. Then let's scroll. This, as you can see, is a plain background, and the cloth I'm putting on just has only two colors. So you scroll and you will see a human icon feature. Click on it. Then you will see cut out. Click on cut out. Click on cut out. Is loading. So once it finish loading, we will now continue with it. Now it has finished loading. Look at all these ones that comes with this. You can change it to all these ones if you don't want to use the background, the design background, right? You can use all these ones. So, but that's not what we are using today. So let's go here to get the background we'll be using. We'll be very fast about it. Be very fast about this today. Okay. This background is not really giving me what I want. So let me change. Okay. Now let's use this background for the sake of this tutorial. Now I will now drag this video. I will zoom it to full day. Now let's play it. Tutorial on how to edit. If there is any question and any video you want me to put up, let's pause it. Now this is it. You now click on that good. It have now saved. Then if there is anything to increase the volume, you can now come here and increase the volume, then tick good. So Inshot has a lot of good features. Then the next thing is for you now go here and click export. So we have come to the end of the video editing, which I have showed you in this tutorial on how to edit. If there is any question and any video you want me to put out there, especially on anything on how to edit on YouTube. Let me know in the comment section, but make sure you subscribe. See you in other videos. Bye.